Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update closing checklist using ClosingCorp beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your closing checklist using ClosingCorp, once you're logged in, navigate to the checklists tab on the main dashboard. Select the specific closing checklist you wish to update from the list provided. Click on the name of the checklist to open it. Review the existing items on the checklist to identify what needs to be updated. To add a new item, locate the Add Item button, typically found at the top of the checklist. Enter a brief description of the new item in the designated field. Specify any necessary details, such as deadlines or responsible parties, as prompted. Once you've entered all required information, click Save to add the new item to the checklist. To edit an existing item, find the item in your checklist and click the edit icon next to it. Make your desired changes in the edit window that appears. After updating the information, click Save to confirm your changes. To remove an item from the checklist, select the delete icon next to the respective item. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to proceed with the deletion. If you need to rearrange the order of items, use the drag and drop feature available on the checklist. Once all updates have been made, review the entire checklist to ensure accuracy. Finally, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the checklist to finalize your updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.